Okay guys, I wanted to update this video by showing you this impact wrench in motion. So I will remove 2 lug nuts off my vehicle's wheel. Before we do this, we need the following. We need the impact wrench, which is the RYOBI P261. We need the lug sockets, and we also need an impact wrench, a torque wrench. This torque wrench is gonna let us know the right torque so our nuts don't be too tight that it'll snap something and the wheel won't come off, all right? So now, without further ado, we're gonna take off this lug nut here and we'll take this lug nut off here. We'll first put this on, all right? We'll make sure that it's going in reverse. You see the LED lights is on there? I put it on 3. That's 1. It ain't really come off on 2. I had to put it on 3 to get it. Ooh, that one came off real quick. All right. So these are off. No damage. And now we're gonna put them back on. So we're gonna turn this. So now that's forward. I'm gonna put it on a little slower, put it back on 1. What they say to do, they said to tighten it by hand first, and then you use the impact wrench. So we're gonna tighten it by hand. Okay, we're gonna tighten this one by hand. Okay, we're gonna put this back on. Make sure that it's forward. It is forward. Go over here. Put it a little harder. Now, what I'm gonna do is use the torque wrench. And this is gonna make sure that we actually have it on there at the torque that it's supposed to be. And you're gonna hear a click. Oh, actually, I'm going the wrong way, people. So, when you hear that snap, that means that that was the right. Okay. I even tried other ones. See how that, as soon as we touch the other ones, because we never took those off. That's why they already at that level. Okay. And that's it. That's the RYOBI P261 in motion. You gotta have it, guys. There's no air hoses, no nothing. This is all you need. You could change your tire. You could rotate your tires. You can now do work just like those auto shops. Till next time, this is Big Wheels.